Hello everybody, I'm Gregg Coleman, and today is not Monday, January 25th. It is actually Friday, January 29th, and this is a special edition of the weather video here at George Coleman Ford. And the reason it's a special edition today, first one I've done, we talked about it on Monday. Let's review just a little bit. We talked about the storm that was probably, well, we knew a storm was coming this week. Probably on Friday night, Saturday, we hit that right. And we talked about how the low pressure system was coming into California, coming across the United States, and depending on the track of the low, and also depending on our high pressure system that we had up here to the north, how strong the high was, the track of the low, we could get some wintry precipitation. We knew there was a good chance of maybe some ice. Didn't know about snow or whatever, but we knew that the chance was there. Well, as it turns out, of course this is, we're taping this right now, it's probably close to 11 o'clock Friday morning. Had a chance to look at some things from overnight. Everything trended colder. Yesterday was looking like maybe ice, but high pressure system is looking like it's pushing the cold air down. The track of the low looks like it's pretty darn good. It's going to go through probably South Georgia, which is a great track for snow here. Most of the snow probably will be up in North Carolina, but there is a chance here. There's a lot of precipitation coming, so there's a chance that we could get very good snow tonight. Places, you know, along I-85, and you've probably seen this on TV, whatever, but south of I-85, you're going to get sleet mixing in. North of I-85, it could be too. You know, the totals will depend completely on what type of precipitation falls. If it's mostly snow, it could be a big one. If it's sleet mixing in a lot, it could be really bad on the roads, but it won't be as deep. If it's ice, rain, freezing rain, then that brings the totals down quite a bit too. But you know, somebody out of this could get a real bad ice storm. I hope not. You know, I hope it's mostly snow. We'll see. But I got you on here today. And this is kind of interesting. We'll say this real quickly. We might have talked about it Monday, I don't remember, but where the low pressure system enters the United States on the west coast, a good rule is it's about that same latitude where it will exit the United States on the east coast. And that seems to be the case in this storm. Anyway, that, everybody, is a loaf of bread. Well, actually it's just my rendering of a loaf of bread. But this storm is, you know, we'll do like a 1 loafer, a 2 loafer, a 3 loafer. Really a max would be a 6 loafer. I mean, you know, who's going to need more than 6 loaves of bread? Unless you got, I don't know, you know, I did see somebody on TV the other day that had 18, 19 kids, you know. They might need 6 loaves a day. But we're going to do up to a 6 loafer. So here we go. This storm, I'm just telling you, has the potential to be. And who knows, again, it depends on how much rain gets mixed in, whatever. So this is just for potential. So you've got a 1 loafer. Then you would have a 2 loafer. Then you would have a 3 loafer, which is getting, a 1 loafer is like a dusting. A 2 loafer is, you know, I mean, it could get a little slick for a little bit, but no big deal, like it typically is here. A 3 loafer, now you're talking about getting into a winter storm, and that's where we are, is getting into a winter storm, but we're not stopping there. A 4 loafer, that's where you really truly better go to the grocery store because it might get bad. But I'm not going to stop there. A 5 loafer, that's where it's getting pretty darn serious, where it gets cold after the storm. If the power goes out, you know, you could be stuck and it could be cold for a while. That would be a 5 loafer. And I'm telling you, this could very well be a 5, if not, and I'm just going to go ahead and write it up, a 6 loafer. Let's use a different color on this. 6 loafer. Time will tell, but this storm has the potential to be that right there, a once in maybe 10 or 20 year storm here for this part of the country. So that's why we're doing a special today. You know, if you like snow, it's really exciting. For me, you know, it is exciting. But I will tell you this, and don't forget, we've got a lot of 4-wheel drives out here, and people are going to need them. In these next few days, I'm telling you, you're going to need them. I got plenty of them right out here on the lot. So be sure and come see us. Do it as quick as you can, because a 6 loafer. I mean, you just don't see that. So we'll see how it all plays out. It's good to talk to y'all, and I'll talk to you again on Monday. We'll see what all happened with it. See ya.